Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how you can solve no audio device installed or found issue in Windows 10 or 11. So this is very quick and easy. You can easily fix this issue with some simple solution. So without waste any more time, let's begin the video. So at the first you have to come to the search box and type services, and after that, and here will become the services window, and you have to simply type W to come to the Windows menu and find Windows audio option, and after that simply click on the right click and go to the properties, and in the startup type click on it, and from here you have to select automatic, then click on start. After that click on apply and then click on OK. Now you have to go to the second option, click on simply R, and you have to come to the R section and you have to check radio management service is running as well, and after that close it. I hope your problem will be solved now. If you still find that issue, then go to the next solution. Check Windows Update. Click on the startup menu, then go to the settings. After that click on Windows Update, and from here you have to find advanced option. Click on it. Now click on optional update, and you have to check here. If you find any pending update, simply check mark it and click on download and install and close it. Hopefully your problem will be solved, but if not, then come to the third solution. Click on the search bar and search device manager. Hit enter. Now we have to double click in the audio input and output option. Now click on your speaker or audio device, then right click on it and make sure your audio device not disabled here. If you find it disabled, and simply click on it and enable it, or you can also do another step, it's update the driver. Simply right click on it, select search automatically for driver and click on it, and your driver will be updated. After that, hopefully your problem will be solved, but if you still find that issue, then come to the final solution. Click on search menu and go to the settings, click on system, and after that go to the sound, scroll down and click on more sound settings, and here will be you got your sound device. Simply right click on it and select it default. You can see my device is already in default, but if you don't get this option, and then another solution, right click on default device text here, go to the properties and select and go to the left. Must be your second output volume must be fit to, and hit OK. So after that simply restart your computer and hopefully your problem will be solved now. But if you still find an issue, then write in the comment section below. We'll get back to you very soon. Hope you find this video helpful. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.